go. Good job. You gonna do it again? Coco, you can do it again? Coco, you want me to say in your mark, get set, go? In your mark, get set, go.
Are you going to?
Good job.
Are you, Mommy?
Yep. You want to do it together again?
Yeah.
Okay, Coco, get ready. Okay, stand together. On your mark, get set, go. Oh no! Okay, try again, do over. Eddie, do it again. I see that. Okay, come back to the fence and do it again. Come on, Coco. There, it's done. Look.
That was mine.
Here she comes. All right, stand next to each other. On your mark, get set, go. There, that was better.
What did she do the last time that I was laughing?
She missed her swing.
I'm gonna do it again.
Come here, tell me something.
I love you, Mommy.
Okay, thanks. No, don't. Coco, come here, come tell me something. What are you doing? You tell me something? What are you gonna tell me?
Twinkle little star.
Twinkle little star?
Huh?
Okay, let's see it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Up above you high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Very nice.
My turn. Okay.
What do you have to say? No, don't touch my camera with a stick.
Hello.
All right, bye. Go play.
Yeah, la, 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 la,
Go play. Let's see if Grandma's still there. Yell for Grandma. Grandma!
Grandma! Grandma! Grandma!
Well, she was in that window. She must be gone. All right, guys. Bye.
No, Mommy. Now I must use the computer.
Okay, give each other a hug and then we'll go. Oh, give me a cute hug. That's nice. All right.
What about kiss, Coco?